jab. Good, so you jab at the end of the movement. And again. Up. 8 more. 7, 6, 5. Now, move around your step. Come on, face away from it. Face into it. Face away. Stay front for 4. 3, don't turn. Well, if you want to, go ahead. And take it around. Go around your step. Back. 4, 3. Power hop up. Feet together. Lock jack back. Go again. Woo! Give me a jab here. Come on. Breathe. Yeah. And turn it. Good. Now come down the middle. Jog. Mambo. Yeah. Come on. Pivot turn. Woo. Jog. Now move it up this foot. Kick. Turn. Kick travel. Turn. Kick again. Stay right here. Stay with the jog. Guess why? We got interval blasts coming up. If you don't want to do them, you can keep the intensity down. Modify. All of you modify if you need to. High jog up. Hup, hup, hup. Come on. Work it. Keep going. Setting up for plyo heel digs. Not yet. I heard that at home. All right, plyo down. Go. Push, push, push. Come on. Woo. Get up there. Kick, 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 kick. Come on, work. Up, up, up. Do the best you can. Keep working. How we doing? Woo. Rebound back. 2 knees again. Rebound back. 2 knee. Rebound back. And a 3-knee repeater right here. Great. Try it again. 2 knees. Rebound. 2 knees. Rebound. Mambo on the step. Step. Now a 3-knee repeater to take us to the other side. Switch. 3 again. All right. 2-knee repeater. Rebound back. 2 knees again. Are you ready? Double ricochet. You start over, come back, go over again. Here comes the mambo on the board. Did you get it? 2-knee repeater. Rebound back. And again. Here comes the double ricochet. Up, touch, 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 mambo. Yeah. A lot of powerful leg work on this routine. Come on. Squat. Squat. Woo! You guys feeling it? 4 more. 3, 2. Now check it out. It's a knee up, ball change, straddle. So straddle and ball change. Straddle, ball change. Keep working it. Up. You got it. 1 more. All right. Put it together now. 2-knee repeater. Rebound. 2 knees again. Rebound. Double ricochet. Touch, 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 touch mambo. Yeah. Hop, turn, straddle. Low. Low. Yeah. Step knee. Straddle, ball change. 1 more. Step knee, face front. We're getting started with triceps now. We're using a 30-pound barbell, 8 and 5-pound hand weights. Select the weights that work for you and let's get started. Halfway up and down. Halfway up and down. These are tough ones. Very, very tough. Come on, push hard now. 4 and 3. Still lift. Down. 2. 3. Keep going. We're doing a set of 16. Now, if it's too heavy for you, lighten those weights. Push that weight up. Avoid snapping at the top. A little bit of flexion in the arm. We're going to do a bonus here and give you 4 more. So it's a total of 12. 4, 3, 2 more. 2, and 1. 2, 1, and press. 3, 2, 1, and press. On the way up, you want to feel that tricep muscle engage. Let's enjoy a nice stretch. Separate your legs, inhale. Palms together, exhale. Press them straight back up. Inhale. Exhale, pull your feet back together. Take it down. Feet together, inhale. Exhale. One more big one, inhale. And exhale. Thanks so much for working out with us today. We'll see you next workout.